Welcome back. Now you can access your Canva account through your mobile device. Right now we are looking at an iPhone device, and you can do the same thing with your Android device. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our App Store, and then we're going to search for Canva. And then when you see the application, you're going to click Get, and then Canva will download to your mobile device. Once it's downloaded, you'll click Open, and you'll then log in using your email and password. Once you do that, you'll then log in, and you'll then have access to the Canva dashboard. On the right-hand side menu, you'll be able to click the three dots, and you'll be able to create a custom size design. To create a new design, you'll click the plus button on the left-hand side, where you can choose the format. In order to see your existing designs, you'll click the right-hand side, and you'll be able to see them in this panel. Once you're in this panel, you'll be able to access the gear. That'll give you access to the upgrade, managing your team, and then the help section. And if you have a team, you'll then be able to access the stream by clicking the top link. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.